Debugging application issues can be challenging. In EspoCRM, this often requires checking logs stored in files. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the log viewer in the administration section. Please note, this feature is available from version 8.3 and is accessible to admins only. As always, you can find more details in the documentation. Let's get started. The app log section is available in the administration. Right now, it's empty because logging is disabled. To enable it, log into your server and navigate to the main folder. Find the data folder and locate the config internal file. Open it and find the logger section. If the database handler parameter isn't there, add it as shown in the video and set it to true. After you finish, save the file, clear the cache, and rebuild the instance to apply the changes. Now, go back to the app log section. It will still be empty because logs from the past won't appear. It will only display logs generated after you enable logging in the UI. To demonstrate, we created a task with attachments to trigger errors in the log files. Let's return to the app log section. As you can see, errors and warnings were logged. You can view their details using the View option, and if needed, you can also remove specific log messages. In the config file, you can specify how long logs should be kept in the app log section. If you have many logs, it could affect your database performance, so adjust this setting according to your needs. Okay, now you know how to enable and use the log viewer in EspoCRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below with any questions or ideas for future videos.